So let's go out to Ron in Denver. Ron is calling. Ron, thanks for calling. Thanks for holding. How are you today?
Great, Steve. I bought some calls late Friday afternoon on IWM.
Okay.
It's up a couple bucks today, and I just wondered what numbers do I need to watch to say where you take profits, or if it's breaking out, you kind of wait a few days? Or any thoughts?
Sure. So let's take a look at. So the IWM itself has a average price movement of about $3. The IWM is up $2 as we speak right now. So a little underperformance average-wise with regard to its normal movement out here. If we take a look at a number specifically in the IWM that you want to see today to hang on to this, you'd like to see this close above 152.02 as we speak right now. As far as where would price head from there, good question. Let's go see what it's doing volume-wise today as this is trying to push higher. And, Ron, what I'm going to look at is I'm going to look at just simply the trading session from 2 days ago, April the 5th. And as the IWM was pushing higher, it was doing it with 17 million shares. Today, you're pushing into that level with 8.6 million shares. So it's not exactly the type of volume push that you'd like to see coming into a prior swing point where there was resistance. And that resistance may be established by these downdraft days of March 23rd with 35 million, maybe March 27th with 32 million shares. So the IWM is going to need a bunch of help out here. If I take a look at what's going on a short-term basis inside of the Russell 2000 equity futures contract and look for help, I don't see it other than to say you'd like to see the Russell 2000 equity futures contract stay above 1529. That would be a level that I would be looking for in the futures contract. On a 240-minute basis, is there any help out here? There's not really any help at the moment. So that's what I see. So in summary, the Russell 2000 is pushing higher, but doing it with really light volume. Does not mean that it can't move higher. It's just not, you're asking in essence about over the next couple of days out here. Did I hear you correctly?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, so.
That's what I was looking for, yeah.
Yeah, so if that's the case and, you've made some money on it, probably not a bad idea to take your profits.
Okay. Appreciate that.
You bet. That was Ron. You bet. My pleasure. That was Ron in Denver. The only reason why we suggested that, hey, it's got a nice profit. Maybe the IWM is going to continue to move higher, but it's pushing that April 5th swing point with mighty light volume, about 50% of it as we speak right now. We'll be right back.